Welcome. If you're looking to switch between Gmail accounts on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the latest method to change accounts quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. If you're already signed into one account, you'll be taken straight to your inbox. If not, log in using the credentials of the account that you're currently accessing. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or your initials. Click on that to open a small drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see the account you're currently logged into. But here's where it gets easy. If you want to switch to a different Gmail account, simply click on the account you'd like to use. Gmail will instantly load the inbox of that account, and you'll be ready to go. It's a seamless process, and you won't need to log in and out repeatedly. If the account you want to switch to isn't shown in the drop-down, you can add it by selecting Add Another Account. Then just follow the prompts to enter the credentials for the new account you wish to use. That's it. Switching Gmail accounts on your PC is really that simple. Whether you manage multiple accounts for work or personal use, this method makes it easy to stay organized and efficient. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.